Olive oil is extremely healthy and is widely used for health care, skin care, and hair care purposes. Here are some reasons to include olive oil in your daily beauty regimen. Number 1. Fights premature skin aging. As you grow older, your skin begins to show signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. But with olive oil, you can keep these signs at bay. Vitamin E, a strong antioxidant present in olive oil, aids the regeneration of new skin cells that help keep the skin plump and moisturized. Also, it can tighten the skin to prevent the premature signs of aging. Add olive oil to your diet. You may use it for cooking or as a salad dressing. For daily treatment, gently massage some lukewarm olive oil on your face, neck, hands, and legs for at least 5 minutes. Do this every night before going to bed. Number 2. Promotes healthy hair. Be it hair loss or hair thinning, olive oil can be highly beneficial for your hair health. In fact, this oil is the answer to a number of hair problems. Its moisturizing nature promotes healthy hair growth. Massage some lukewarm olive oil into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it overnight. The next morning, shampoo your hair as usual. Do this 2 or 3 times a week. Number 3. Heals chapped lips. Olive oil is very effective in treating chapped and dry lips due to its vitamin E content. It also works as a lip moisturizer to make your lips smooth, soft, and supple. You can apply olive oil directly on your lips daily before going to bed to keep them from becoming dry or chapped. Number 4. Fades dark circles. You can use olive oil to get rid of dark circles under your eyes. Olive oil contains polyphenols, vitamin E, and phytosterols that help brighten your skin and remove dark spots. Olive oil also nourishes the tender skin around your eyes and softens fine lines. Gently dab some olive oil under your eyes and massage gently for a few minutes before going to bed. The next morning, wash the area with water. Number 5. Repairs cracked heels. Cracked, rough heels need moisture to heal. With its strong moisturizing properties, olive oil is the perfect solution to this problem. Apply a generous amount of olive oil on your heels and soles. Massage for 5 minutes. Put on a pair of clean socks and go to the bed. This will give the oil ample time to fully penetrate your skin. Number 6. Strengthens weak nails. Olive oil is also a good remedy for weak and brittle nails because of its vitamin E content. Its moisturizing property helps repair damage and softens your nails and cuticles to keep your nails healthy and strong. Before going to bed, massage a few drops of warm olive oil into your nails for a few minutes. Slip on cotton gloves and then go to sleep. The next morning, wash your nails with warm water. Number 7. Works as a natural makeup remover. If you have a bottle of olive oil in your house, you don't need to buy a commercial makeup remover. Extra virgin olive oil works as an effective natural makeup remover. To wipe off light makeup, put a little olive oil on a cotton ball. Use this to remove the makeup from your face. Then, wash your face. To remove heavy makeup, apply a few drops of extra virgin olive oil all over your face. Massage it around your face and leave it on for some time. Follow up by wiping your face thoroughly with a washcloth soaked with lukewarm water.